A training incident on Thursday has unfortunately forced Ryder DiFrancesco to sit out of Anaheim 2 of the 2025 AMA Supercross Championship this weekend. The injury comes as a setback for the 19-year-old rider who has been showing strong performances early this season. With DiFrancesco sidelined, Rockstar Energy Gas Factory Racing returned its focus to Justin Barcia for the remainder of the weekend. The California rider had been in solid form, securing a 4th place finish at Anaheim 1 and following up with a 5th place result in San Diego last Saturday. Those efforts placed him in a promising 5th position in the 250 Supercross West Point standing, riding the Gas MC250F Factory Edition. I'm Damon from Blacklisted MX, and that was your Moto News for the day. Until next time, peace.